Every day, you repeat the same thoughts, the same habits, the same emotional reactions. Wake up, scroll, stress, repeat. And strangely, your computer does the exact same thing. Repetitive loops. The difference is, computers can be automated. But humans rarely automate their subconscious patterns. In this video, you'll learn a beginner Python concept called loops, and something deeper, why your brain also runs invisible loops every single day. Then we'll use Python to solve a real automation problem, while learning how awareness can solve a human behavior problem. Imagine this. Every morning you rename 200 files manually. Click, type, save. Again, again, again. After a while, your brain becomes exhausted. Not because the task is difficult, because repetition drains mental energy. And this doesn't only happen in work. Humans also repeat emotional patterns, overthinking, self-doubt, negative self-talk. Your subconscious learns repetition exactly like software learns instructions. In programming, when something repeats, we use loops. This is called a for loop in Python. Instead of manually repeating work, Python repeats it for us. Line by line, Python checks each file automatically. With Python automation, computers can do repetitive work automatically. This reduces time, saves energy, and makes processes faster. But humans have loops too. Maybe every time something goes wrong, your mind says, "I'm not good enough." That is subconscious programming, a repeated mental script. And just like computers follow Python instructions, your brain follows instructions you repeat consistently. The solution is awareness. Notice the loop. Interrupt the pattern. Replace the instruction. Computers use automation to reduce physical suffering. Humans use awareness to reduce emotional suffering. With just a few lines of Python, you can automate repetitive digital work, and with conscious repetition, you can automate better human behavior. Most people spend their lives trapped in loops, digital loops, and emotional loops. Python teaches us something powerful. Repetition does not need more effort. It needs better systems. Automate the machine. Observe the mind. Because freedom begins the moment repetition becomes conscious. The goal of this video is to make you understand less energy is wasted when repetitive tasks are automated. Use your mental and emotional energy for things that actually matter, and to expose you to a little bit of Python programming concepts. Now I'm curious, what's the one thing you learned from this video? And if I didn't explain the idea clearly enough, tell me what I can improve for the next one. If you want to learn Python, automation, AI workflows, and the psychology behind human systems, subscribe, because the future belongs to people who automate wisely.